Hi guys, so let's jump into the planet Sun placement in the sign of Sagittarius. Why these people are the real risk takers? What are the advantages of taking risks in your life? Why these people follow the path of spirituality or dharma? What are the teachings of their father which motivate them to do something in their life? What are their approach towards the relationships? Each and everything related to this placement I'm going to explain you here. See, first of all, we must have to understand these two entities. Only then we will be able to relate these two things. If I talk about planet Sun, Sun represents your ego, your soul, the purpose of your soul. Purity of your soul is also seen from Sun. Sun represents all the chief level person in any organization, whether they are the CEOs, CTOs, CEOs, VPs, and such kind of things. Sun represents the government officials. Sun, it is the king, controller of the things. Sun, it is also represents your health and vitality. Sun represents the kind of power and authority which you are going to get in this present century. Sun represents your father, relationship with your father, teachings of your father. So it is quite an important planet. Also, Sun represents the light phase. On one side there is darkness, and on second side it is the light phase. That is the light of knowledge. And on the other hand, the sign of Sagittarius, which is ruled by planet Jupiter, it is a very philosophical sign. These people have the ability to deeply indulge in any matters, to end up into that long lasting conversations. They don't believe in 1 to 2 minute conversation, because they are the real philosophers. Okay, if you do this, that thing happened, that thing. So that philosophy is always present inside in the sign of Sagittarius. Also, sign of Sagittarius represents the path of dharma, spirituality, knowledge regarding the religion, textbooks. Each and everything is connected and governed under this sign. So whenever planet Sun comes in the sign of Sagittarius, first of all, these individuals, they are having the risk taking ability like no one else. If you ask them to jump from that building, they will jump. If you ask them to drink the poison, they will drink it. Irrespective of whether they are going to die or something bad is going to happen, they will not think in that terms. Because here the triggering point is fire and fire. Sagittarius is fiery element, Sun is fiery element. They trigger and then they explode. And they explode like it's unbelievable. That risk taking ability is not present in many businessmen or many individuals. But here the Sun is having that ability. Whether like that risk is going to advantage them or disadvantage them in their life, they will not think in that terms. If they have the willing or they have some kind of a spark present inside them, okay, I will do this thing, they will immediately take the risk and do that thing, no matter what are the circumstances that are going to happen afterwards. So you may consider it as a positive thing or negative thing, but that is going to happen in your life. Apart from the Sun in the sign of Sagittarius, it represents a very philosophical father. The teachings of their father that are going to be very, very appealing in their life. They tend to learn a lot of things from their father teachings. The relationship with their father, that is going to be very, very excellent, I will say. But for that we must have to see the placement of Jupiter as well. But the teachings and the philosophies of the father that are highly implemented on that person. Also, their father is going to be very spiritual kind of a person. That true dharmic figure, that selfless image that is seen from the sign of Sagittarius. So they will also pursue their career related to the teachings of their father. That is highly likely seen in this case. Apart from this, whenever Sun comes in the sign of Sagittarius, some kind of unnecessary ego can build up in the long run, because they possess that kind of mysterious knowledge, or they are having that kind of capabilities present inside them. And yes, they can recognize their capabilities as well. That is the main plus point, because in many signs, Sun in many signs, the person not be able to recognize its own abilities. Here the sign of Sagittarius having that kind of a base, strong base present inside that it can hold the energy of planet Sun upon itself. So here like it creates something big, something massive. Whenever they try to do something, they try to do something big. Or whether they are doing some little thing in their life, they think in a big way. That thinking is extremely large. Doing something on the mass scale, it is also seen from this placement. Also, Mercury connection in the sign of Sun, whether Mercury is combust or it is not combust, retrograde or not, the one main character is going to occur is these people, irrespective of their dasha system or their like current timings, they will incline in their life somewhere towards the business field, because Mercury represents the business, and especially the business related to communication as well. Communication wise, it is also going to be a perfect placement, like preaching, teaching Vedanta, knowledge, spirituality, or the guru guides, or maybe you can consider them as the in the field of motivation as well, because that kind of optimism that is somewhere always present in the sign of Sagittarius. And Sun have the ability to gain the power, real power, from the extract energy out from the sign of Sagittarius. That is the positive quality, and that extraction from the sign of Sagittarius, that is the philosophies of their father. Then they will extract that thing and they will be benefited by that things in their life. Also, relationship wise, they will not look for the individual who is having that physical appearance or that much money. They will go for the other people courage or willpower. If they will look for the self confidence in other people, if their opposite life partner having that kind of a risk taking ability or that kind of confidence present inside them, that self confidence, then they will definitely patch up with that person. Otherwise, they will never ever go for any person, because they themselves are very competitive. Like I told you, if you ask them to jump from that building, they will jump. They will never ever think about anything. So that competitiveness wise, they will also look for these qualities in their opposite life partner, whether she's or he is having that kind of ability present inside them. So then only then they will be able to patch up with their other half of the life. Also, a lot of mysteries are governed with the sign of Sagittarius and planet Sun, especially if Jupiter is well posited, it is exalted in its own sign or friendly sign, then these people will incline themselves towards learning the higher sciences, whether it is spirituality, Vedanta, Vedantic knowledge, astrology, numerology, palmistry, anything related to the ninth house, that belief system, anything related to the spirituality, dharma, they will having the inclination towards going towards that areas. But if Mercury is not combust or Mercury is very strongly posited in their chart, then they are having the tendency to go for the extreme business mindset. Then they leave their own belief system here, because here they will utilize then Sun's energy towards attaining something materialistic, something demanding, something money and materialistic gain. Then they will go for the that side. But if Mercury is combust and not having that kind of energy present inside this, then the Sun is at the higher position, and Sun guides the Mercury. Okay, do that thing. Your cleverness will not work over there. Go there, and that kind of a thing. So that is the kind of situation that is going to occur. But it is a very good placement, irrespective of the house placement. Especially if this placement occurred in the 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house, and 11th house. It is marvelous, guys. It is marvelous. You can do anything in your life, anything, irrespective of the placement. You can do anything with this placement in your life. So that's it, guys, from my side in this studio. I hope you like my analysis. If you have any queries regarding your Sun placement, please contact me at my mail ID. I will respond you back within 48 hours after receiving your email. Regarding any consultations of the marriage, childbirth, timing of event, please let me know. I'm always present to help you. Also, if you have make up this far, please make sure to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye and take care.